generating UI from text prompt. The goal of this lesson is to show learners how to use Uizard's AI-powered text to UI features in order to quickly generate layout and screens by simply typing what you want. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations, where things get exciting with AI. In this lesson, I will show you how to use Uizard's text to UI feature in order to generate screens just by describing them in plain English. Now, this feature is perfect for rapidly exploring ideas or building full screens in seconds with no design skills needed. Now, how do we access this text to UI features? So guys, right over here, first of all, remember we already have a project right here. Okay, remember we created a project. Yeah, now what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna come right here and then I would delete this project. Okay, because in this free plan, remember we are making use of the free plan. All right, in this free plan we are allowed to design, or should I say we are allowed to have just 2 projects. So I would go ahead to delete this project to see if we're going to be allowed to have additional projects. All right, now let's delete this project. So I would go ahead and say delete, and here we are. So guys, let's get started. And to get started, all you gotta do is to go to the dashboard, right? So guys, we are at the dashboard already. Okay, and to get started, all we gotta do is to choose the text to design feature. All right, now let's come right here and then click on new blank project, and then let's select mobile. And when we do that, it takes us right here. All right, so guys, here we are. All right, now to get started, all you gotta do is to come right here and click on magic. All right, you can see where my mouse cursor is on. Now let's click on magic, and when you do that, all you gotta do is to come right here where it says generate new project, and then click on it. Okay, it says generate multi-screen designs from a simple text prompt. Okay, so guys, let's click on generate new project, and when we do that, you can see where it takes us to. Right here it says use simple text to generate your project using Uizard's AI-powered designer, and that's fine. So guys, coming down right here, it says which device are you designing for. All right, you may be designing for a mobile device, you may be designing for a tablet device or a desktop device. All right, but in our situation, we are going to be designing for a mobile device. All right, now coming down right here also, it says describe your project in plain English. Remember, we said earlier that we are here to generate screens just by describing them in plain English. All right, so guys, this right here is the prompt box where you can describe the screen you want in simple plain English. So guys, let's walk through a few examples. Let's say I want to build a login screen. What I will do is this: I will type in a few text prompts. let's say a mobile login screen with app logo at the top. A mobile login screen with app logo at the top, email and password fields, a login button and a forget password link. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it says a mobile login screen with app logo at the top, email and password fields, a login button and a forget password link. Now let's click on continue in order to get more specific. All right, so I would say continue. Now right here it says generate a style. All right, now we are generating a prompt style. Okay, now let's click on prompt. So guys, at this stage we are going to be describing a preferred style for our project. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to come right here and then I would say a modern landing page with a navigation bar, a hero section with a call to action button, and 3 features cards below. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it says a modern landing page with a navigation bar, a hero section with a call to action button and 3 feature cards below. All right, now let's go ahead and select one of these. Okay, let's say modern. All right, now let's go ahead to submit this prompt and then watch screen auto generate. All right, now let's click on generate my project. And that's beautiful, guys. Wow, you can see how it generates this project in a plain English. And that's beautiful, guys. And just like that, Uizard creates a fully designed screen with all the elements I asked for. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, you can see what we have here. Yeah, so guys, remember, this is a free plan, okay? And with free plan you can only design 5 screens per project, okay? But it's easy to get more, and that is when you go for other plans, okay? All right, be it the pro plan where you will be billed $12 annually, or the business plan where you will be billed $39 annually, okay? So guys, that's that. All right, now let's go ahead and see what we have here, right? So guys, let's go ahead and increase this so that we can see what we have here, right? Now let's click on our hand tool property in order to see what we have here very clearly, okay? You can see what we have here, right? It says interactive prototype, okay? So guys, because of our plan, all right, we cannot access this screen, okay? We only have 5 screens to access, okay? You can see the welcome page, or should I say the splash screen. Yeah, you can see the sign up page, okay? You can see it says welcome back, access your account easily, email, password, name, address. All right, you can also go ahead to log in. All right, it also has a home page, or should I say a home screen, right, where you can enter your email. We have a forget password, right? We have a login. All right, we have a reset. We have where you can create your account. All right, fantastic. This is wonderful, guys. I love this. All right, now at your own end where you are able to access all of this plan, okay? Remember, we are unable to access all of this screen because of our plan, right? But you can see clearly that we have a wonderful screen generated right here, okay? It's so beautiful, guys, so beautiful and easy. Wow. Now I want you to understand this, all right? The more descriptive you are, the better the results. All right, you can see what we have right here, okay? This is the additional design proposal, okay? Yes, right? So when you mention screen types, layouts, and specific UI components, the more descriptive you are, the better the results. All right, go ahead to mention specific screen types, layout ideas, and specific UI components. All right, this is beautiful, guys. I love this. Now once your screen is generated, yeah, just like we have right here, yeah, you can treat it just like any other Uizard project. All right, for example, let us zoom in a little and see, right? Let's click on the elements and move buttons, change headings. All right, now let's come here, for example, and then let's take this back to our cursor. Right now you can move things around. All right, you can move things around, see, right? You can change text. All right, you can apply your custom theme or even link the screens. All right, it's 100%. You can change text. You can just say active login, right? Let's say active login. And that's simple, right? You can move text around, you can change your buttons just like the way you want it to be. All right, now this is a huge time saver, guys, right? And that is why Uizard is a very interesting application, okay? Because with this you can save a lot of time, especially when you want to prototype quickly or brainstorm layout with your team. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, that's that on this. So guys, that's that on generating UI from text prompt. You have just seen how to use plain text to generate stunning UI screens using Uizard's AI. Now, in the next lesson, we will look at another powerful features, alright, which is turning hand-drawn sketches into real editable UIs. See you there.